Oh, video is on. Hi, good morning. How are you? Are you thinking what sir is just doing his own work? No, I am counting pens. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. That's it. Why I am counting without teaching today? Counting is equal to teaching? No, not like that. Something related to this today's topic, right? So first of all, what are nouns? We learned from our earlier classes. Noun is naming words, isn't it? Name of a place, name of a person, name of an article, and so on. And again, when we come a bit deeper to this, countable nouns, uncountable nouns. Today's our topic is countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Just now you saw what you observe. I am counting pen and pens, isn't it? Singular and plural form also we can use. So here, countable nouns is the topic that we can use for singular one or plural form. Book, books, pen, pens. Okay, bike, bikes. And countable nouns are quantified by a number. What it is? Quantified by a number. Means one person, two men, 5 members. Okay. We can also say in such manner 6 apples and so on. Articles can be used for countable nouns. An ear, a pen, the stars, a caterpillar, and so on. Isn't it? And still more, countable nouns have singular form and plural form. Means book, books, pen, pens, computer, computers, school, schools, class, classes, girl, girls, boy, boys. So in such similar way we will be having the usage of countable nouns. And here one thing to be remember, we can use many for these nouns. Many houses, many horses, many people, such words we can use. So we got a clarity of the usage of countable nouns. What are countable nouns? Which can be counted, quantified, isn't it? These are the examples till now what we have discussed. And now the second one we have to go ahead with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns means itself the meaning says what which can be counted, which can be counted. These uncountable nouns are quantified not by a number specifically, but with some quantity, like a spoon of sugar, 2 kilos of rice, 5 bags of kirana, some items. Okay, or else a piece of music also we can say. Are you getting me? These concepts. For these type of things we will be using in the uncountable nouns. And some and much also we can use. Means some cash, much water, isn't it? These are the examples where we can use. So countable and uncountable are two simple and very easy topics as per nouns are concerned. What are they? Countable nouns which can be counted, uncountable nouns which cannot be counted. For there here, countable nouns, singular, plural we can use, and we can use the articles also, a, an, or the, isn't it? And we can use the similar words a or an. Okay, and when come to uncountable, to the topic of uncountable nouns, we can't count with a number there. Instead of a number, it is quantified by a quantity. Just now I said a spoon of sugar, 2 kilos of rice, a piece of music, and these are some examples there, isn't it? And we can't use articles also, like a English, an oxygen. We can't say those words. So for uncountable nouns, articles will not be used, and they are not being plural forms, like rice, rices, or sugar, sugars. We can't. These are the minimum rules how to use countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, and we have some exercises in the workbook followed by this topic, and the page number 13, if you come in the page number 13, and also 14 and 15, 13, 14, 15, if you go through this, we can complete all the exercises A, B, C, D. Okay, let's meet in the immediate video. Just now we learn about nouns and also countable nouns and uncountable nouns. See the board here. We can enter to the next topic, that is kinds of nouns. In these kinds of nouns we have 5 categories: proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, abstract nouns, material nouns. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From these 5, for our class, collective nouns and abstract nouns were given. But before that, what is a proper noun and what is a common noun? There is an interlink between proper noun and a common noun. Okay, a name given to a particular one, that is called proper noun, and means we can go ahead in this example. Hari is a boy. If we take Hari is a proper noun and boy is a common name for boys. Sita is a girl. Sita is a proper noun and girl is a common noun. Hyderabad is a metropolitan city. Hyderabad is a proper noun. Metropolitan city is a common noun. Are you getting? This is the difference. Proper noun, a name given to a particular, means unique name, unique one, means particular name. And when it is common, it is very common to everyone. Class, student, girl, boy, family, lecturer, lawyer. Isn't it? For all these things we can call it as a common noun. And now come to the third one, that is collective nouns. Okay. Students, let's learn about collective nouns. The word itself says collection, isn't it? Gathering or summing up or collecting. The meaning is same, all are synonyms. Then what is a collective noun? A group of things or else articles taken together and spoken as one unit is called collective nouns. What are the examples? Crowd, mob, school, means school of fish, parliament, committee, army, regiment, jury. These are all comes under bunch of flowers, bunch of keys, isn't it? These all comes under collective nouns. Now we got a clarity of collective nouns. What is that? A collection of things or else articles or persons, isn't it? Summing up into one unit and talking about them as a whole is called a collective noun. Now let's know about abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun is nothing but it is usually comes under 3 categories. One is quality, action, and the third one is state. 3 categories comes under, and one main thing is we can't taste, smell, sense this abstract nouns like wisdom, bravery, isn't it? Still more beauty, kindness, love, affection. These are all the words that we can sense them. It's emotional bondages. These all comes under quality of abstract noun. And the next one is action. Action in the sense here, laughter, theft, judgment, movement. These all comes under action category. When it comes to the third one, state, childhood, boyhood, youth. There is no word like girlhood, right? So the different states or stages we can calculate in action. In the state category, sickness, slavery, poverty, death, birth, these are all the states. Action in the sense, action category comes under laugh, theft, judgment, movement, like see, teaching, you people listening, these all comes under. Quality, braveness, courageous, kindness, love, affection, wisdom, these all comes under quality of that abstract noun. So abstract noun is divided into three categories: quality and action and state. And last one of these kinds of nouns we can come under material noun. What does it gives us the information? Material noun is nothing but what are all the metals comes under material noun. Aluminium, gold, bronze, iron, steel, all this comes under material nouns. Okay, hope that you understood. Once again I can recap, I can sum up. Noun is the naming word. Okay, name of a place or name of a thing, name of a person, etc. And it is divided into this countable and uncountable. Countable means what I said, which can be counted. Uncountable, which cannot be. And what is the similar differences of both? Countable in the sense, it has its plural form. Pen, pens, book, books, table, tables, schools, schools, like that, isn't it? And we can use articles like a book, a caterpillar, isn't it? An ear, the stars, the moon, like that, articles can be used. And when we come to the uncountable nouns, it is not in such a manner to measure. Means 2 sugar, 1 dal, we can't say. So we have to measure with the quantity. A spoon of sugar, 2 kilos of rice, a piece of music. Such words we have to use, isn't it? And now when we come to this nouns category, still more depth, kinds of nouns. How many are they? Totally 5. What is that? Proper noun, common noun, collection noun. At the same time, abstract noun, and the last one, material noun. So comes first, what it is? It is proper noun. The name given unique to each and every human being or the place, isn't it? Is called to an individual. It's called a proper noun. Myself, Narendra, you'll be having your unique names, right? So a name given to individual. Kakinada, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Singapore. These are the places given there. When come to the common noun, it is given common to the places. Boy, girl, student, lawyer, teacher, these type of things. Parent, family, isn't it? So in such case, these words are called as common nouns. For example, Russia is a great country. Russia. What is Russia here? It's a proper noun. Country, common noun. India is a self-elated country. So automatically India. What is India? India is a proper noun and country is a common noun, right? And one come to collective nouns. A group of collection and make the things collect or the people or the person, and talking about it as spoken as a whole unit is called a collective noun. In this collective noun, and again we have the examples: a fleet, a jury, a bunch, all these names we have. And the next one is we have abstract noun. Abstract noun, it has 3 categories. What are those? We have 3. One is quality, goodness, kindness, bravery, courage, darkness, hardness, whiteness also comes under this quality category. And the second one is action category. Action means the position. Now I am teaching. That's my position now. The mode of teaching, action now. Teaching, measure, what is that? Movement, judgment, laughing, all comes under action. In that, the next category is state. What is state in the sense? Boyhood, childhood, youth, sickness, death, poverty, birth. This all comes under the condition, the state, isn't it? So these three: quality, action, state. These three comes under abstract noun. And this abstract noun doesn't have this sense or smell or something of these words, right? And last, material noun. All the metals comes under material noun, isn't it? Hope you understood all these 5. With this, we have some exercises here in our textbook basing on these 2. And when we come to page number 16 and 16, and even the information about 17 also, we have this. Okay, some paragraph was given, these 2. So totally for today, what you have to do is abstract nouns. At the same time, we have this collective nouns, countable and uncountable exercises you have to do. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.